Ethan Carter was a 17-year-old boy who loved technology. Quiet and thoughtful, he spent most of his time fixing gadgets and exploring old electronics. He lived with his mother in a small town and shared a special bond with his grandfather, Henry, who always encouraged him to follow his dreams. One winter evening, Ethan was cleaning the attic when he discovered an old box covered in dust. Inside was his grandfather's phone. Ethan's smile faded. Grandpa Henry had passed away 2 years earlier, and the phone had been dead ever since. Curious, Ethan pressed the power button. Nothing happened. The battery was completely drained. He placed the phone on his desk and continued sorting through the box. Suddenly, a soft vibration echoed through the room. Buzz. Ethan froze. The dead phone had lit up. His heart raced as he looked at the screen. A single text message had appeared. "Hello, Ethan." His hands trembled. There was no signal, no battery icon, and no explanation. A second message arrived. "If you're reading this, it means you found my phone." Ethan stared in disbelief. The words sounded exactly like his grandfather. More messages followed. "I know you've been doubting yourself lately. I know you're afraid of failing." Tears filled Ethan's eyes. He had told no one about his fears of applying to a prestigious engineering program. Then another message appeared. "The greatest inventions begin with people who are brave enough to try." Ethan remembered hearing those same words from his grandfather years ago. The messages continued throughout the night. They weren't predictions or supernatural secrets. They were lessons about courage, kindness, patience, and believing in yourself. Finally, one last message appeared. "Open the small compartment inside my toolbox." The screen went dark. This time, it stayed dark. The phone never turned on again. The next morning, Ethan rushed to his grandfather's workshop. Inside the toolbox, hidden beneath a false panel, he found a sealed envelope. With shaking hands, he opened it. Inside was a letter and a scholarship fund that Grandpa Henry had secretly saved for him over many years. At the bottom of the letter were the words, "Dream big, Ethan. The world needs what you will create." Years later, Ethan became a successful engineer. Yet he never forgot that mysterious night. He never discovered how the dead phone had come to life. But he didn't need an answer. Because sometimes, the messages that change our lives matter far more than where they come from.